Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your side mirror on a 2019 Honda HR-V. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this cap off. Just use both hands to get behind it and pull out on it. And next we need to remove this cap here behind the door handle. And to do that, just take a small flathead and pry down on the upper part of it. And you can see that clip there on the top that I just pried down on to release it. And then behind there is 2 Phillips screws that need to come out. And next, you want to grab a hold of the corner of the door panel, and we're going to pull out on it. Just this top left corner. We're not going to pull too far. Down here, right here, there's still a screw holding the door panel on. So you want to pull until it gets loose up until there, but you don't want to pull too hard and break the door panel. And then in behind the door panel here, we need to pop this clip right here loose from the door, and then also unplug the wiring plug right there. And to do that, we're going to pull out on the wire with one hand, and with the other hand we're going to take a flathead screwdriver and just work our way around the clip, prying out, and eventually it'll pop it loose. And then go ahead and just unplug the wiring plug by pushing on the tab with your thumb and pulling out. And next, pull back the seal and remove the nut using a 10mm socket. And next we're going to have to remove this nut right here, and it's kind of behind the door panel, so you just have to pull it back and use a socket and a ratchet to get in behind there to take it off. And then we've got to remove this last nut, and before you do that, you're going to take your other hand and you want to wrap it around the outside and hold on to the mirror just in case. You want to make sure it doesn't fall off when you take this last one out. And then once you have the last one out, you want to pull out on the mirror, and then also you have to pinch this white clip right here and just push it through the hole. And then that's it, guys. Mirror's off. Thanks for watching.